Hi, my name is Charles from IHMG Creations. Thank you for purchasing my resource, Junior Sportstistics Baseball. I hope you find this beneficial for both your distance learning and your traditional classroom environments. When you download the PDF file and go to page 3, here are some important links for you to access the Google Slides presentation. I will come back to this page in just a moment. The rest of this document is the print version that you would use if you were in a physical classroom with your students. There are 8 different baseball categories, and we look at the top 5 ranking for each of those categories. There are 3 word problems for each of the categories, and there's also a challenge for one of the questions as well. So they deal with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and some division. There's a couple graphing questions, and there's a timeline activity. Starting down here, there's an answer key, and then there are what I'm calling the stat tracker task cards. And so this would be where you could print these off, put them around the room, kind of like a read the room activity. And the students just need to work together to find the different statistics and answer these questions. So there's 3 different versions. And then there's an answer key for that as well. So the Google Slides presentation does not have the stat tracker cards, the tasks, because I feel like that was better in a regular classroom. But going back up to page 3, when you click on that link, it's going to ask you to make a copy of the document. Please do that first, and that will enable you to have your own copy of this resource. After you make a copy, then feel free to make edits, changes. You can isolate slides, which I will show you how to do here in a little bit. If you don't like the way that I worded a question, feel free to change that. And I'll just show you some of the highlights. So once again, there is the same 8 categories, and the 3 questions are all on one page. I encourage students to complete their work on a separate piece of paper, and then they're going to record their answers here. So to record an answer, they just put their cursor into the green shaded box, type response. Because it's on Google, it saves it automatically. So there are the 8 different statistical categories, as well as an answer key. Now I'm going to show you how to isolate slides if you did not want to use all of the categories, but maybe you just wanted to use 2 or 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight these 3 slides, and then I'm going to go to File, Make a Copy, Selected Slides. And you can call it whatever you like. And then when you click OK, it's going to make a brand new document with just those slides. And then you can share this easily with your students over Google Classroom or another platform. If you have not used Google Classroom before, or if you're not utilizing it right now, I would encourage you to check it out, because it is a great way to share items with your students. If you need help with that, please email me and I can walk you through that process. So there you go. That is a quick rundown. I'm also have available a student tutorial that you can show your students so they can learn how to use this resource. If you have any questions, comments, ideas, if you notice any errors or have any ways to make this resource better, please email me at ihmgcreations@gmail.com. Also, if you have any other distance learning needs that I can help you out with, please contact me and I will try to work that out. Thank you and have a great rest of your school year.